Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Gwen Jikoni. On today's episode, we are going to make some lovely veggies that I'm sure you're going to enjoy this festive season. The reason I'm holding this, it's called a rice maker, a Tupperware rice maker. I'm going to use it to steam our vegetables in the microwave, then we stir fry them, so stick around. Another thing I'd like you to know is that we will be doing at least uh, daily uploads of recipes or that you can enjoy this festive season for the next 2 weeks every weekday, and I'm certain you're gonna love what we have lined up for you, so stick around. But at the moment, let's catch up and use this rice maker in the microwave, then we start fry on the stovetop the veggies for today's episode. This particular rice maker is a 2.2 liter, there's a 3 liter, and there's also 500 ml. So it comes as it is, the way you've seen me opening it. I had cut my carrots beforehand. Always a quick tip, and especially this festive season, if you can bulk prep in this way, like preparing your veggies and keeping them in the fridge, they keep so well in the Tupperwares. Even the French beans had been pre-cut like a week before and they are still fresh. So I transferred everything into the rice maker. I did not add anything at this point. I just cover and they are pretty much ready to be microwaved or steamed in the microwave. You can as well, if you like your carrots more tender than the French beans, you can steam the carrots first, then add the French beans. But I added them together at the same time and I microwaved them for 8 minutes. You can do less if you like them a little bit more al dente. I wanted them a little bit more cooked, that's why I did 8 minutes, but anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes is still okay. At this point, after 8 minutes, they were well steamed and they were ready for the next step. And opening the rice maker is so easy. It doesn't get hot on the handles, so it is easy to open. And you realize that the veggies inside are perfectly steamed. The carrots are al dente, but the French beans were a little bit softer, which is to our liking because of the kids. The next step is to stir fry them. I'm using coconut oil to do so. You can also use ghee. Those two oils, let me tell you, they are a game changer. The coconut oil or even butter or ghee are a game changer in stir frying your veggies. They bring a different flavor, and I'm certain you're gonna love the flavors that comes with those oils. Try the one that works for you, or whichever works for you, use it. And if you don't have those, it's okay to use cooking oil. So I let the coconut oil melt and get hot. Remember, when you start frying, you actually need high heat. This is one of those recipes that you definitely need high heat on. Once the oil is hot, you'll hear the sizzle as I add in those veggies into that oil. I'd forgotten to mention, once these veggies are steamed, they release a little bit of water, so you have to drain it off so that your veggies can stir fry perfectly. You will realize making this recipe is so easy because of the ingredients that you do need. You can add zucchinis or bell peppers if you'd like, and the process is still the same. So here I'm adding oyster sauce. If you have teriyaki sauce, well and good. These are totally two different flavors, but let me tell you, either of those two sauces is a game changer in stir frying your veggies, so don't skip that. That's the only thing you need in your stir fried veggies. You can, I went ahead also and added salt. I would have added black pepper, but I didn't. It's also optional, and that's about it, all that you need in this recipe. In case you're wondering where you can get the exact rice maker, you can check it out at Gwen Jikoni Gadgets. It's available. Also, a bigger version of it over 3 liter is available, and quite a small one of 550 ml. They can be used to make rice, any type of rice in the microwave in a split of a second. And also you can use it to steam your other vegetables or even boil your sweet corn, steam your sweet corn, your green maize, your sweet potatoes, your arrowroot and such like things in a split of a second. Yeah, and you'll enjoy it having it in your kitchen. This is how we enjoyed ours with rice. Look at how I did that plating. I hope you get to try this. And let me know in the comment section down below when you do. Also remember, there are more recipes that you can check in our channel. Be sure to check them out.